421 days ago, another war started. Not in Ukraine, but in Israel. And everything has been changed in the world with the second war. Yeah. And the war is still going on. It was last week a ceasefire between Hezbollah and Israel. Well, they are still fighting. Still fighting. All right. In today's newspaper on Monday, December the 2nd, 2024, I've already solved 2 puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4 stars Sudoku. So 1 puzzle is left. Yes, it's the binary. It's binary time. We have not so good news in today's newspaper. We have no extra puzzles, no additional. I've showed you earlier. Alright, this will be number 9690. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 28 printed digits. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 by 10 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 5 ones and 5 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Let me start with the double ones. Here no, there no. Double ones. Here no, there no. Double ones. Here no, there no. Now the double O's. Here one, there one. Double O's. Here one, there one. Double O's. Here one, there one. Double ones. Here no, there no. Double O's, here one, there one. Double ones, here no, there no. Between the O's comes in 1. Double ones, here no, there no. Double ones, here no, there no. Between the ones comes in O. Double O's, here one, there one. Now I need to think. Think hard. Think hard. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Double ones, here no, there no. Between the O's comes in 1. Between the ones comes in O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Between the ones comes in O. Double O's, here one, there one. Well, I know between a 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between the O's and O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one. That box should be an O. Between the O's comes in 1. Now, yeah. Between the ones comes an O. Between the O's comes in 1. Between the ones comes an O. Come on. Think. 1, 2, 3, 4. I cannot place the number the fifth one here, otherwise we will have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allow one of the rules. So this can be 1, this should be an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Double ones, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have here 4 ones. If I place number 5 there, then we have 4 O's in a row in this row. Not allow one of the rules, so this can be 1. This should be no. Double O's, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Double O's, here 1, there 1. Double ones, here no, there no. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. I'm stuck. I'm really stuck. Between 2 O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. 2, 3, 4. Well. Come on. I'm really stuck. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have here 4 ones. If I place number 5 there, then we have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed. One of the rules, so this can be 1. This should be no. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm thinking. Yeah, I'm stuck. I'm really stuck. I'm really stuck here. Wow. 1, 2, 3. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. If I place number 5 there, then we have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed. One of the rules, so this can be 1. This should be no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are 1s. Double 1s here, no, there, no. Double O's here, 1 there, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O's. Double O's here, 1 there, 1. Double 1s. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O's. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. One, two, three, four. Wait, 3. Come on. Yeah. 4. Think. Is it time for comparing? Time for comparing. This is not the same here. Cannot compare this one. Double 1. How about? Yeah. Only 3 columns completed. 1001. Not the same one, not the same. Double O. Yeah. Let me compare this column and the third column. Right. 1 empty box 1 empty box. So we need to switch these 2 digits. We have O here, this should be 1. We have a 1 here, this should be no. Double O's here, 1 there, 1. Double 1's here, no, there, no. Double 1's here, no, there, no. Double O's here, 1 there, 1. Double 1's here, no, there, no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, and the rest are 1's. Done. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm really stuck here. 2, 3, 4. Oh, and a 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And now. Well. This is not the same here. This is not the same. 1110. 1110. And then not the same. Not the same. double ones. Here we have 1001. Maybe I need to compare the rows. Yeah, this one. Yeah. The last row. Alright. One. Sorry. One. Oh. Empty box. Oh. One. Oh. Empty box. So we need to switch these two digits. Here one. Oh, wait. 3. Well, let me compare the 1, 2, 3, 4. You have here the ones, here the ones. This is, I cannot place the 5th one here. Otherwise, we will have identical rows. So, this one should be no then. Between two O's comes in 1. Now we have 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Between two O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Between two O's comes in 1. Okay, now these two. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 2 rows and 2 columns. Let me check for this one. Double one. Do we have a double one? Here we have a double O one. Double O. Yeah. This one and that one. 1, 1. O 1, 1. O 1, 1. O 1, 1. O. Empty box. So we need to switch these two digits. We have a 1 here. This should be no. We have an O here. This should be a 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, so the rest are ones. Between two ones comes an O. Finished. 12 minutes. Wow. This one is a hard one. Yes, a hard one. But we solve it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you tomorrow. Have a great and fantastic Cyber Monday.